this tutorial, I'll show you how to draw this cute turtle step by step. For this, I'm using canvas size 2048 pixel by 2048 pixel. You can always grab the color palette and my giveaway brush for free. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version. Come join my 𝚁𝚊𝚌𝚑𝚎 challenge to draw the cutest creatures ever. Now let's start. I'll start first by choosing this dark green for sketching, and for this step I'm using my sleek ink brush. I'll start first by drawing the head, and as you see I'm using the curved lines to create this cute turtle. Here I added the body, and now I'm adding the feet by creating curved lines. Now I'll add the shell and I will adjust it by using the editing tool. Now I will add the tail, and finally I'll start adding cute details to the turtle. I'll create the hands by drawing this line here in the center of the body. And now I will draw this line because I'm drawing the top. Here I will draw a curved line for the hand, and I will do the same as well here to create the other hand. Now I will draw a gingerbread man here. It's a basic shape, and I will clean the lines inside the gingerbread man just to make it clear. Here I'll draw an earmuffs by drawing those circles in the left and right side of the head, and now I'll complete it by drawing those two lines. Finally I'll add cute eyes and a cute smile, and here I'm adding two circles for the cheeks, and for sure I will draw the gingerbread man face and add cute details just to make it recognizable. And here I will add details for the shell, just like this. I'm drawing them randomly, and two hearts for the earmuffs. Here I will change the smile, and now my drawing is ready to be colored. For coloring, I'll create a new layer under the sketch layer, and for this step I'm using my flat brush for coloring. I'll start first by choosing this green, and I will color the head, body, hands and feet with it. Now I'll create a new layer above this layer, and I will choose the red color to color the top here. Now I'll create another layer underneath the top layer to color the scarf by using the light red. And by using the dark red, I will color the earmuffs here. On a new layer underneath all those layers, I will choose the dark green to color the shell. And I will pick up the darker green from my reference to color those areas here on the shell. By using the brown, I will color the gingerbread man. And here I'm using the beige color to color the details. Finally, I'll choose the lighter red to color the cheeks, and my drawing is ready now for the next step, which is shading. For shading, I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to multiply mode, and I will use my Grainy Texture brush for adding shadows. As you see, I'm using the same colors that I used before to color the turtle to add with them shadows. After I finish, I go to the layer, lower the opacity just to make the shadows look natural, and I will move to the next step, which is highlighting. For this step, I'll create a new layer above all those layers, set it to screen mode, and I will do the same technique to add highlights. For this step, I'm using my sleek ink brush, and as you see, I'm picking up the same colors to add the highlights. Now I'll add the final touches, and I will choose the layer where I drew the sketch just to clean those lines. That's because I want my drawing to be clean and clear. Here I will create a new layer above all those layers using my sleek ink brush, and by using the pure white I will add 2 dots for the eyes, and I will add also those dots for the turtle, and this step is optional, but I like to add a few details just to make my drawing look cuter. Here I'm adding extra shadows by creating those dots, and now I will finish my drawing by adding those cute lines around the sketch lines. And now my drawing is ready. Hope you enjoy watching this tutorial, guys. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram to see your version. See you on the next video. Bye bye.